Yes, my people, we don't come again. We can't give you an update. What happened for court today for FCT concerning the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal. As you know, say, I swear you go down, they drag up Bebolo, don't be small. If they drag and go this side, Bebolo say you no go agree. Bebolo drag him. He say no go. I swear say you no go agree. Then they drag themselves left, right. So when it happen today, now I want to let you know. So as normally. Before we play video, for court today, as well Godaro, they there. Edo State, Edo PDP governorship candidate, Dr. Aswell Godaro, today on Monday, 3rd March 2025, made a commanding appearance at the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Abuja as the tribunal adopted final written address from all parties, setting the stage for judgment on the disputed governorship election wey happen last year. But before me go talk now, I would like make una listen to Usareti and other updates we will get for una. Watch this video, my people.
My people, una good afternoon. My name is Remain Good Luck Usareti, and I bring una updates. Today na the 3rd of March 2025. Court happened today. Today, Night Court say make all the parties may they come submit their final written address for adoption. So everybody enter court. Dr. Aswell Godalo did there, Tony Azebemi did there, Senator Diade, Friday Tula Day, and many other PDP leaders did there today. Then for the APC side, Adam Sanso, Olushomole did there, Tribu Day, Odubu Deze Yamu did there. So now full house. So now they start with INEC, APC, and Okpeolo. So they say, we can't say all the argument are the same thing. They say, may they dismiss Aswell Godalo case on the ground, say, although they cite many ground, though, but the one where they talk, say, PDP or Godalo supposed bring police unit agent witnesses for all the police units when they carry out for that election. Not be small thing. So when it can't reach the PDP turn, they can say, no, not be police unit that they challenge self. Say, now world collation and local government collation, now there wahala day. How level for police unit content we better be 40 for collation center. Now that be the issue when they talk. So APC constantly talk, say PDP don't bring document, can't bring everything, can't dump out for court. Now PDP lawyer say, look, all those documents we so done for now INEC certify them and they don't even object to any of those documents at all. So now so the matter come hot, everywhere can get as be. Can most of the PDP, the way can they trash their point, they analyze this issue. If you see court today, not be saying, Nami go tell you, ask question how it be. Everywhere firm, everywhere quiet, with some red eyes, everywhere get as it be. So, me myself, I call the fear better place of go catch fire. So, as it be, my people, court don't hear everybody. Now they can say they reserve judgment to the date when they go announce to everybody. Normal, we'll see come and come tell you now. Una well done.
All right, una don't hear them. We got another video for again why I want to make you listen to this one as well.
So far, and today was a privilege. We had to adopt our final written addresses, and the court was gracious enough to grant counsels 15 minutes to add-on breaks, and all counsels were able to utilize their times. And for us, we're pleased as a petitioner that counsels were able to agree with us that the testimonies by witnesses were in consonance with our prayers, that there was overvoting in several polling units, and there was incorrect collation of scores in several polling units, and that INEC failed to submit herself to her own guidelines. So altogether, we petitioned 756 polling units out of the 4,000 plus polling units. And we were glad to state before the tribunal in our deliberations that in the cases of Kennedy versus INEC, in the cases of Baba versus INEC, and also Johnson versus INEC, the Supreme Court concluded that the percentage of witnesses brought before the court does not determine the overall outcome, as long as the witnesses were able to substantiate the evidence. So for us, we are pleased with the proceedings, and we are hopeful that very soon we will hear from the Secretary of the Tribunal in the next date for the court's judgment. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your name for the record.
Very Ifaluyi Usibo.
All right.
Okay, una don't hear Ifaluyi Usibo. So una know now say the total submission we concern this petition and everything, though they don't do everything. Today, the meeting are to put everything together, they don't do it, I don't hear them. Now, we are now waiting for the court to now privately reach out to all the parties, which is, I think it's only PDP and APC anyway, I don't know, but maybe there's other parties dragging Okpebholo at this particular moment, I don't know. So, they are going to secretly or privately reach out to them to give them, assign a date for them for final judgment. But meanwhile, Oshomole they call today, there's Oshomole come and some other APC big names. They just come, they say no, may they rule Aswen out. Say Aswen, may they dismiss the case. May everything don't move on, move on, and all that. My court say no. It means the Sun, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, where they represent Aswen without saying no, it's not possible. You know, they say may Aswen go bring all representative for all the polling units where they those states, even the one where they go Abazuwa, Oluku and all that. But now we are now waiting for the final judgment. Nobody will come court again. The next court hearing will be a final judgment. You know what that means. But what do you think? The way those matter take go, so we don't have past 1 or 2 experience for judiciary, especially 2023 presidential election and all that. But what is your take? Do you trust that the judiciary will do the right thing this time? It's a question I'm asking because for me, I'm really skeptical. In fact, I have problem of trust for our judiciary at this moment. Let me just be honest. Yes, even when something look too clear, you see and say this thing is clear, maybe not white. Our judiciary will fit turn out to black, my people. They will turn out. Although I don't know if they are set to do the right thing. No. I know I was very, very hopeful during the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi and all that. You know, I see the way the judiciary slap all of us, beat all of us, come on for a court. Till today, I see the shake, I'm shivering. So I'm not too sure what is going to happen on this, but I want you guys to know that this is now the final. You know, the final is what we all are currently waiting for to see what is going to happen. So the fate of Aswe Udaro is shaking right now. Why? The fate of the current governor of Edo State, Okpebholo, is also shaking. We don't know, because if the judgment go to Aswen way, Okpebholo will be removed. Aswen will sit there. You know, if the judgment go to Okpebholo way, Aswen will go out and stay quiet while Okpebholo will continue as the governor of Edo State. But my take as NAIJA media, I say, whatever decision that comes from the court is what I will follow. What does that mean? It means I will support whoever that is my governor after the final decision to make my state better. What do I know? And people, leave it in the comment section. What's your take on this? NAIJA media. I'll see you guys later, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Take care and bye for now.